making some apple chips, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I'm going to show you how easy it is to make. I'm making these apple chips in the stove this time. Before, I showed how I made different things in my dehydrator, and I will link that in the description box. That was with a dehydrator, but the apple chips right now, because I realize a lot of people do not have dehydrators, you can definitely make apple chips in the stove and they turn out absolutely delicious. I don't have one of those apple core, so I'm just using a knife. And so basically I cut it in half. And then I make a little slit. I'm doing this by hand because I only have 10 apples. So this is not going to take me forever. Of course, if you have an apple core, make it easy on yourself. I cut that into like a little slit here and a little slit there and remove that. I'm going to be slicing it this way, like this. And I'm just trying to slice it as thin as I can. It does not have to be perfect. I'm not doing any lemon juice to keep my apples from browning. I am just cutting them, putting them in a bowl. This is the other half of that apple. Just slice that off, put it in the bowl, and get to cutting. So there you have it. I'm going to do the rest of these apples off screen and be back with you. I am done cutting the apples. This is not all of them. I just stopped at this point to put this on a tray. I don't know if you know about parchment paper, but that's the only thing I use. It comes in a roll that looks like this. I get this at the Dollar Tree. It folds up, it rolls up, and all that. So I've learned to crumble up my paper, uncrumble it, and then I lay it on my pan. And it's not rolling up. So that's just a trick. I think I'll put a little spray on it because it will have a tendency to stick if the apple slices are very thin. So I'm just putting this on. These are so addicting. Don't feel bad about eating them because they're nothing but apples that are made into chips. So if you're looking to get away from eating a lot of chips, try apple chips. They are very tasty. Yes, you do have to do something other than just opening a bag. You have to go through these steps, but it's worth it if you're trying to cut down on your calories. So when I am done, I will give you a demonstration of me eating them and how crunchy they are. So this is my last tray. I am going to pop this in the oven and I'm just going to let it go 200 degrees Fahrenheit. And keep checking on it. It is, I'd say 10:15 a.m. right now, and I will get back with you when they're finished. finished with the banana chips and they turned out great. So easy to make, so quick to just throw it in the oven. I prefer it in the dehydrator better, but like I say, everybody don't have a dehydrator. I just wanted to show how I did it in the stove. Yesterday, I also I went to the same produce store and got another box for $4. It was mainly pears. I think there was 4 apples in that box and the rest was pears. So I cut them all up and I made pear fruit roll-ups. So I am set for a while and I will show you those as well. All right, this is a piece of the pear fruit roll-ups. They are so, oh my gosh, they are so yummy. And I don't feel bad eating them because it's nothing but pears and applesauce. If you have not seen how to make this, I will put the information in the description box. Click on that and it'll walk you through very easily how to make these fruit roll-ups. So delicious. Okay, I have all of my fruit roll-ups, or not roll-ups, I just cut them into pizza slices, and they're all in this jar to eat. This will not last long here in this house. Very, very easy to make, very, very delicious, very, very healthy. Like I said, 2 ingredients, pears and applesauce, period. So give it a try. Let me know what you think. And I'll see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.